Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about conditional rendering. I am going to cover what is conditional rendering, types of conditional rendering, and give an explanation through coding. Sometimes we want to display different items or components or data based on a condition. Like if it is true, show component A, and if it is false, show component B. Or show a particular data if the value is equal to like A, B, C, and show another value of data if the value is equal to X, Y, Z. So like this, we have three ways in which we can do conditional rendering. One is using simple if part, then another is using ampersand and ampersand. We use this, and third is ternary operator. App.js is our basic component, our parent component. I'm taking hello world as a child component over here. So if my condition is true, I want my child component to print over here. Okay, it will be printing hello abhavya based on my condition. And if it is not true, the value of the variable or the prop is not, or the state is not true, then it shouldn't show anything coming up on the screen. Okay, so I will declare a simple variable. Based on this condition, I want to show my hello world whether it is true or not. So I will be using props to pass it. Since I'm using a plugin, that's why when I wrote hello world, it automatically imported. If it is not coming for you, you can download an extension, or you can manually write import hello world. Okay, here I'm going to write is logged in and pass this value. This is a concept of like props passing. Okay, coming to this section, I want to return hello abhavya if it is true. Okay, only in that scenario. So right now you will see, because I have not given any condition. So let us remove this section, and I will import my prop here. I have autosave on, that's why you see these errors coming up, but that doesn't happen really. So I will write is logged in, and based on that value I'm going to return this. Okay, and let me use else as well. Okay, so right now my value of logged in is true, that's why I'm seeing abhavya. Let me make it false. Now I see Varma. So this is how I'm doing a conditional rendering. Based on the value or the prop value, I am rendering my component value. Okay, so first section completed. Second type is directly whether I want to show hello world or not. So let me just remove all of these and write a simple return statement hello abhavya. And in this case, what I'm going to use is curly brackets. Okay, if is logged in, and then you will give 2 times ampersand sign, and then you will give the component name. Okay, so if this value is true, then this component will be visible. If not, it is not visible. Since we have the value as false, it is not coming up. Now I will make it true. See, my value from hello world, hello abhavya, is coming up and showing up here. That's fine. One very important thing to take care is whichever value you are using here, it shouldn't be a number giving the variable, or it shouldn't come to a number like uh, is total value. if you are using some this kind of variable, and is total value can range from 0 to look like 100. So for 0 you will get the value because it shouldn't come up, it will count as false. But for any other number like 1, 2 or 3, you will still see nothing, so it will not work properly. So avoid using any variable which is having a proper numeric value over here. Okay, now coming to the third type is our now coming to the third type, it is using the ternary operator. So it is also quite simple. We will again use these brackets, use the value, put a question mark first, whatever condition I am writing first. In that scenario, if is logged in is true, then that will be written, and whatever will be written after the colon, if is logged in false, then that will come up. Okay, so I will give hello world over here. Okay, and if it is false, I will give null right now. So since it is true, hence I see hello Abhavya coming up. But if I make it false, I will see nothing coming up. If I make a new component like component A and write that, then that will start coming up. Let's try that also. And I will, instead of using null over here, I will use component A. Okay, again if you are using it over here, you need to import it, take care of this part. Okay, so now this value is false, hence component A is coming over here. The moment I make it true, our value from hello world component is coming over here. Hope so it is very clear to everyone. If you have some more questions, do write it in the comment section, and thank you for watching the video.